Peter Obi and Datti Ahmed are posing as Rambo or the saviors of the country, says Labour Minister Festus Keyamo.
Take you to section 134. My guest yesterday was saying...
Before I just go there, just for 1 second, to mention this. That it is important we mention to Nigerians that there has been no time where Labour Party has come up with alternative figures that they got from polling unit to polling unit. That is very important before we delve into section 134. That it is important to say that every party has polling agents in every unit. And so you must have obtained your own alternative figures different from what was obtained. So all of these claims that were rigged, that's important I mention that. So that we don't finish the program without mentioning that to Nigerians, that the basis for all of these agitations is not even there at all. There has been no alternative figures they are brought to Nigerians.
So your party, you have your own figures now?
Absolutely.
Because the PDP yesterday said they have their figures.
Yes.
The Labour Party yesterday on this program said they have their figures.
Exactly.
In fact, the PDP said they won by more than 4 million votes.
No, that is comedy of the century. It's comedy. When you say 4 million, where did you get it from? Where are your tabulation?
4 million of their votes was not reflected.
You just read the news just now about PDP. It has been It's just like the case of PDP was that everybody saw the accident that was waiting to happen, but they did not see that accident. It was an accident waiting to happen. Turned straight into 3. Even the small one that was left was also further depleted by G5. How did you expect to win? So for Labour Party, coming back to Labour Party, they just come up, like Datti Ahmed said yesterday, all they have done since, like the PDP has done to just manufacture a figure that we won by this, is to just manufacture big emotive words to sway everybody to say the election was a sham, it's a disgrace, it's a disaster. These are just emotive words without tying them to factual evidence. And nobody is bought by all that again. What they just want to do, Datti Ahmed and is to pose as some kind of Rambo that have come to save Nigeria. That's what they are doing.
Well, they are
Rambo, they have been designed, so they are determined to do anything, either unethical, unorthodox, to save Nigeria.
In all of these,
as Rambos, political Rambos.
They've said that they have evidence.
They are cunning lying machines.
Mr. Keyamo, they have said, the Labour Party said, they know that they won this election and with a better margin, and that they have their evidence and they are going to court to prove it.
We are very happy with that. We are happy. It's because I'm in cabinet now that you will not see me appear on the first day in court. But after May 29, on May 30th, you will see me. I'm working with the team. You will see me in court. The law is against my putting on my wig now as I'm cabinet, but I'm working with the team. So on May 30th, you are going to see me in my wig and gown in court. So I know the facts we have. I'm not going to reveal everything.
And I'm very sure that
I know the facts we have.
You have seen the petitions, you have been seeing reactions.
Of course.
And not only the election matter, that in fact, there are matters that have been raised bordering on the capacity and the qualification of your candidate to even run for office in the first place.
I don't want to impugn the judiciary here. If not, I would have used the word laughable. But it is important for me as a senior lawyer not to ridicule the judiciary. But at the end of the day, like I said, I tweeted a few days ago, I said, I'm excited about this petition. Why am I excited? Because those issues we shouted and tried to explain to Nigerians during the elections, that these things were useless allegations, you will hear from the judiciary, you will hear from their law lords loud and clear now when they give their judgment. And call me back. Keep this tape. Call me back after the judgment has been given. We all know law. We all know the law. Even the opposite side, they know too. Some of them have called me and said, Festus, now we just do our work. They told me.
Are you predetermining what will come out of the
No, I'm not talking. That's why I said I will not impugn on them. But call me back after the judgment and say those simple issues we have tried to explain to Nigerians, they will be exposed. And I'm excited these things have been brought to their petition so that we can have final judicial determination of those issues.
All right.
You will see them.
Let me take you to section 134, and I'd like to get your own reaction. So if you can put it on the screen. And this is what section 134, subsection 2. And clearly what it states about how an election of 2 or more people in an election for the presidential race will be determined. A candidate for an election to the office of president shall be deemed to have been duly elected where there being more than 2 candidates for the election. The first instance is that he has the highest number of votes cast at the election And the B part says he has not less than 1/4 of the votes cast at the election in each of at least 2/3